Take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, Summit Light, Windows, Locks and Mirrors, Power, Delete Remote Keyless Entry, Mirrors, Camper, Power Adjustable Glass, Manual Extendable, Heated, Dark Titanium, Vinyl, Remote Keyless Entry, with 2 transmitters and panic button, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic and the emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.